This one is called racial analysis. The analysis of one whole man. Pick them apart, break them down, divide the whole into its basic pieces, then sum up the fragments of him. Remove one whole man from the equation, shatter the whole one. Problem? How not when it is one whole no longer? Algorithmic sense. Uplifting that one whole can only make it loftier. Breaking it down only makes it cease to exist. One whole man broken walks all around. What's so profound is that he hasn't lost the will to live. The loss? Some small part overlooked, missed during reconstruction after disassembling. What is not broken need not be got tinkering. If you cannot improve without dismembering, leave it whole. Let it be, for you will have done one very unholy thing, make a dysfunctioning abomination after having obliterated the whole greatness of the one. One whole great redwood can become numerous mountains of sawdust. One is forever the best product, because there's trying situations and times tables turn, but one can simplify any equation. One never destroys and can only add one to any sum. One is the smallest whole value removed in subtraction. Ra will re-energize Haru. You shall rise when sunlight shines on you. If you are whole and at one with the whole one you are, then it may be that you are few. A stretch of 3 or 4, and definitely less than 2. Never break down. They'll analyze, prod, and ply with tools like their intent for your breaking is the remaking of a whole one of you. Frankensteinish intents can only end in the creation of something tragic. In half it is the one whole man broken through analysis. Many gaps and holes still exist, inadequate parts replacing the one whole man. Another hindrance to analysis, the expectations predicted with the fragmentation never will stick to a script. On the world stage, we play the starring role, the first, the part that pioneered the ideal. We play the pinnacle, the part of one whole individual. In the bottom parts of them boats, the parts were pitiful. One whole man, broken down to basic bits, submitted to separation tactics so intense that even atoms split. Multiplied by the loss of one whole unified spirit, even in its infiniteness, for even though it still exists, it's as if it is distant to us. My theory is that it is a remainder lost in our long division, patiently waiting and available for only our benefit, but that'll only happen when again we become one.